Alright gang, Jason here, for the Love of Tractors, with the 40th anniversary Toy Tractor Times set. So, really cool four-wheel drive set. I would expect nothing less from Toy Tractor Times. Big congratulations to Jason over there with the 40th anniversary. Of course, he didn't start Toy Tractor Times, but he came along, oh gosh, it's been a good while ago now. And he's certainly shepherded the Toy Tractor Times in a great direction, and so we're super happy and very excited to see what's next from the Toy Tractor Times. So this set, so what is kind of special about this set? Well, I think there's quite a few of these made, so I don't think they're going to be particularly rare. So but I'm actually not gonna take this out of the box, which I know that's a little weird for me, but I'm just not right now. I might maybe at a later date or whatever, but I'm gonna find this a nice comfy home on a shelf somewhere. But we can see, because of the really nice packaging here, what we got here. So we got a 6788 2+2 duals on the back and singles on the front. I believe this is to represent like the number one of the 2+2s, if I remember correctly. That's kind of the story there. Really cool tractor. You can see excellent. We get cab glass and all that fun stuff. Really nice looking cab in there. So just a lot of kind of things to be happy about with that tractor. It's a bit of a step up from the normal 2+2 that we are getting from Ertl these days, or that we've gotten in the past anyway. Baffus Blue. So this is a Panther 2, so obviously a Steiger, painted up blue. And you can kind of see some decal there. Got nice duals with the cream. Got a cream grill on that, as well as kind of the cream cab. Bareback sitting back there. The blue looks fantastic on this tractor, I think. You have to let me know what you guys think down below. And then last, and certainly not least, the 4894. So this would be like a crab steer tractor. Now this one might be a little hard to see in the box, but it's definitely going to be a little hard to see in the box. This one does have a 3-point hitch sitting back there. Duals all the way around, and boy, it looks good in that red color. Of course, great cab glass and some nice cab detail in there as well. So a really well done set, and like I said, we'll see if I can get one of these out of the packages before too long. What I'm kind of waiting on here is I am hoping this weekend at a show to pick up another case of these, and just to make sure that I have enough that I can take one out of the package and leave one in the package. But being the first one I got here, this one's going to stay in the package. Packaging is great with the Toy Tractor Times 40th anniversary. You got some nice, Case IH colors going around here, and then on the back side, check this fella out. Yeah, so that's where it is. Serial number 1, 6788 2+2, the Baffus Blue Panther 2, and then we've got the 85 Case IH 4894 merger, and that's because, of course, these were white originally from Case, so you get the merger edition that comes in the IH colors. So really cool. And then of course the bottom, you kind of got all your legal that you get pretty much on every, well, I guess you do get it on every Ertl tractor. So anyway, big shout out to Toy Tractor Times and Ertl. Really neat set. I think it's definitely worth picking up. You can get these for like 45-50 bucks at shows, guys. Not a huge investment here. There is a Chaser. The Chaser is all industrial tractors, so it's these tractors but industrial, so that's pretty cool. As you can imagine, I don't have one of those yet because I haven't got my full case yet, so I will get one though. The Chasers on these I don't think are particularly rare. They are kind of commanding a bit of a steep price right now. I think the highest I saw at a show last weekend was 200, but it seems like 170 seems to be more commonplace. So you can kind of make your own decision there, but there seems to be plenty of the Chasers of these to go around. I don't think it's going to be a particularly rare Chaser set. I think that's a video for another day where I'm going to talk about Chasers and kind of have they gotten carried away? I guess. I don't know. But, let me know what you guys think down below. Anyway, really cool set from Toy Tractor Times and Ertl here. I hope you appreciated it. I know it's a little bit different video than normal with me not taking it out of the package and all that stuff, but we'll see. Have yourselves an awesome day, guys. Thanks for coming out to the shows. Hope to see you this weekend in Effingham, Illinois. And if I don't talk to you in there, have a Merry Christmas. And we'll see you soon. Happy tractor hunting.